Sustainability certification standards are detailed, documentation requirements are extensive, while time and internal capacity are often limited. Many organizations are committed to sustainability but struggle to turn that commitment into structured and verifiable action. Today, sustainability certification is no longer optional. It has become a key factor in market trust, partnerships, regulatory alignment, and long-term competitiveness in tourism. In this evolving landscape, the Global Sustainable Tourism Council has emerged as the globally recognized reference for credible, transparent, and consistent sustainable tourism standards. This is where structured and guided support becomes essential. WSC Consulting provides certification assistance and consultancy designed to simplify the process and guide you step by step. WSC Consulting is a sustainable tourism consulting firm. We are officially training partner of GSTC in Indonesia, supported by official training partner and also certified GSTC auditor.
We support organizations throughout the entire certification journey before, during, and after GSTC audit, from readiness assessment and evidence preparation to mentoring, audit simulation, and post-audit improvement. The journey is strengthened by our sustainability portal, an integrated platform designed to manage implementation and monitor progress. Through the portal, you can monitor progress against GSTC standard, conduct self-assessment as baseline data, submit and verify evidence with our consultant, schedule up to 20 online consultation sessions, access case study, template, and best practice, and manage action plan to ensure accountability. With WSC Consulting, GSTC certification is not only about passing an audit. It is about embedding sustainability into daily operation and building a long-term commitment to responsible tourism. Wherever you are in your sustainability journey, WSC Consulting is here to support you from preparation to lasting impact.